Okay, hello. My name is Mark. And I'm so glad to see Marlon back on stage. The last time, pangalan Teneo pa yun. Okay, since this is part 4, I am assuming there's a lot of fan service for people who saw 1, 2, and 3. Are there going to be like Easter eggs? Are you counting on the fans of or people who watch my generation and maybe those who've seen 1, 2, and 3 for this? Or will this be completely relatable for people who did not see part 1, 2, and 3?
Kahit ano, kasi yung fan service napaka-konti lang naman talaga. I mean, they're really, talagang sobrang small lang yun. Yung like, acting in my book, di ba? Kasama yun. But it's not really that, and of course, yun ang the surprise, right? At the end of, the question is, how will she get shit on herself, di ba? So, yun ang naman ang dalawang talagang stable reference points. But, I mean, anyone was, I mean, even if you haven't seen this in 2011, the first one, if you're a young theater person, you can still relate to the ideas of puro na musical na naman, di ba? Hubaran, yes. Si Paco pa nag-direct nun. Dito po ginawa yun. So you can relate. I think it's all the generations can relate. The fan service really is just Miss Regine Domingo, and there are about 2 points in the whole franchise. Remember, Miss Regine Domingo has played herself so many times. Yes. I think any actor in the Philippines. Diba? So, nakilang Miss Regine Domingo ka na, di ba? As herself. So, may mga only konti yung reference. I guess, yun ang lagi namin yung pinag-usapan ni Chris. The understanding should be universal on the text level. On the subtext and referential level, yes, you might get some of them if you're a fan or if you've seen the whole thing. But what you should take care of is the key message, di ba? Yung logic, di ba? And then the little magic will be sprinkled. But it has to work for the people who are now. Kasi, hindi naman to para sa matatanda lamang, di ba? Yung mga kabataan. Sila po apat ito. It's not about the old material. It's not even old material. I mean, it's really just the franchise. That's why I love Septic because it's a franchise. The idea is almost like a meme. Meme na siya, di ba? Meme na yung Septic Tank. And then, yun. So, hindi naman siya puno-puno ng fan service.
So are you saying we're gonna expect shit on Eugene again?
Well, yes, ipapromo namin to Mark. Pumulanin niyo kung saan at paano, di ba? Kasi lagi naman may ganun, di ba? I think we know what's gonna happen, right? The question is always, but how will it happen in the West Philippine Sea? Yes! Di ba? Yes!
Congratulations, Ivana.
Parang excited kayong mga
Natin,
Magandang hapon po, ako si Madeline.
Hi, Tita!